In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in your settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to make the change stick so your dates appear in the style that makes the most sense for you. First, head to the settings area. You'll find it on the left side of your screen, typically in the main navigation panel. It often looks like a small gear icon and opens the place where you control your account and display preferences. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all sections are visible. Next, open the basic information section. This is where general account details live, such as your name, region, and common preferences. It's a great place to handle simple personalization options, and the date format setting is usually stored here because it affects how information is presented across the interface. Now scroll down until you see the date format option. It may be grouped with language, region, or localization preferences. Keep an eye out for labels like date, formatting, or display, as different interfaces can use slightly different wording for the same setting. If the page is long, just move slowly and look for a field that previews how dates will appear. Once you find it, click on the date format to edit it. This is where you choose the style you prefer. Common options include month, day, / year, like 03/25/2026, and day, month, a year, like 25/03/2026. Some systems also offer formats with month names, such as March 25th, 2026, which can help avoid confusion if you work with international teams. Pick the format that best matches your location, your habit, or your audience. If the interface shows a preview, use it to confirm you're selecting exactly what you expect. After you've made your choice, click Save Changes. This is the crucial final step that applies your selection across the app. Without saving, the system won't update, and you might not see any difference. When you save, the page may briefly refresh, and in many cases, you'll see a confirmation message indicating your settings were updated successfully. That's all you need to do. You've navigated to settings on the left, opened basic information, scrolled to the date format, selected your preferred style, and saved your changes. From now on, dates should display consistently in the format you selected. If the option isn't visible, it may be managed by your organization or limited by your account type. Otherwise,